Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you how to end your dress. If you don't want your thread to show at the front of the dress you're making, like example of sleeve or your neckline, you don't want the thread to show, you can do hemming. And this dress is the down part. This is the down part of this my dress. I don't want thread to show at this front side, so that is why I decided to do the hemming. So in this video I'll be showing you how to hem this dress. So this is the down part. All you need to do is to first of all touch your needle, your thread. First of all, the thread I use, just double your thread, make your thread double into 4. This thread will be 4. When you count it, it's 4. Just pass your thread first and double it to make sure that everything is 4. First of all, touch it on the starting point and tie it first. And this is how I do. I put it there and I tie it like this. See how I tie it like this. First of all, put it from the main fabric to meet with this or this one and tie it like this. Alright, now like I said, I don't want thread to show at this side. Okay, now I fold my dress. This is my lycra dress. It's lycra. I'm doing the hemming today. Lycra, you can weave it before hemming it, or you fold it, depends how you want it. Now see how I fold it inside, and this is the starting point here. I take my needle again, I give it gap like up to 3/4. You can use your hand to make the 3/4 and take it like this. Take your pin, take the bit of your dress like this. Make sure that what you're taking does not show at the front side. So take half like this, just as a ditto from the main fabric. And for this folding side, take very little there, and see what I did here. I'm gonna be tight, as in, I will first of all sew it first like this. See what I just made here. I sew it first and I go again to that same place, that same point. I take little from my main fabric to take it to the folding side. And this time around I'm going to be tying it so that I don't want it to remove. When you are making hemming, you will tie it. See how I pass my thread up and bring it up to tie it. Why am I tying it? Because I don't want it to remove. Alright, so I've made from here to here. Alright, remember, don't allow it to show at this front part. Now I continue my hemming. Make sure that I fold it. Like I said, I fold it inside. You can fold it, you can weave it before doing this hemming. It's still the same thing. Alright, so I take another one again. Remember not to show outside here at this front side, for you to get nice and perfect work. If you want your work to be perfect, you measure up to 3/4. 3/4 is okay. And take little from the main fabric. Take little and little from this the folding side. Now first of all, take it first like this before tying it. First of all, take it like this, and before tying it. Now I'm going to be tying it now. That same place, that same point, I take little from there. I take from the upper side. To end your dress is very, very easy, and I'm going to be tying it now. See how I tie it? I tie it like this. Alright. Now this work, after you are done with this hemming, you will see how all your work will be very, very perfect. Please, I've made video on how this is lycra dress. I've made video on how to cut this lycra dress, and also I've made video on how to sew this lycra dress. Please go to my video and check out this video. I've dropped the video on how to do this work. Very easy. Now on this video, on all the video I make, There is no thread show at the front side. Both my sleeve, my neckline, everything look very neat and perfect. Now I take my thread again. I'll be doing it like that all round. Now I make sure that I fold it inside. I measure up to 3/4. You can take like half, depends. You can take half, you can take 3/4, you can take 1 inch, but I prefer this 3/4. Alright, I will take little from my main fabric. I take little from the folding. See what I'm doing here? Please, if you have question on this video, drop your comments on the comment box. I will reply you immediately. See, after this first sewing, after the first hemming, I go again at the same. That's the same point there. I take little, very little, make sure that it doesn't show at the front part. I take little from the main fabric. This is my main fabric. This is my folding. I take it from there. This makes second time I'm taking it, because why? I want to tie it. This second time means that I want to tie it. I like tying it. Please, when you're making this hemming, tie your work, tie the hemming, please. That is my advice to my students. Alright, this is how to do it. Look at this side now. The thread doesn't show there. It makes my work very neat and very perfect. So I'm going to be doing this hemming now all the way around. Okay, this is how I normally do my hemming. Some people used to do their hemming. Some people don't used to double their threads. Even they don't used to tie it. But in my videos, as in my work like this, if I'm doing any of my hemming, this is how I normally do it. I double my thread and I sew it 2 times, because I don't want it to remove after some time. Like one of the hemming my husband had before, one dress like that. The way they hem that dress, there's nothing they didn't tie it. It makes the hemming to loose. So, but if you do your hemming like this, like the way I am doing it, first of all, take it first like this, and the second one, take it and tie it. There is no how that hemming will remove. The hemming will stay as long as you want it to be there. It's not gonna remove. I try and tie your hemming. It makes it to last longer, very, very longer. So this is the end of this my dress. I hope you understand it. Give it a try and see how it comes out. Remember, I fold it. Hemming gets different ways of doing it, but this is the way I am doing my hemming. Very easy to do. Give it a try. See the front side, very smooth. There is nothing like sewing there. It makes it to look like ready-made. You can do your hemming, both your sleeve, your neckline, where you don't want thread to show. Just do the hemming line. Make sure you do it the way I did it. Take it and tie it so that it will last. Not that after some ties it will move. No. With this tying, it makes it to last longer. Just give it a try. Thank you so very much for taking your time to watch my video. Please, if you know you have not subscribed before watching my video, do me well to subscribe on this channel, like my video and share my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you.